Blizzards. What is a blizzard? Blizzard's a bad snowstorm with strong winds. What are the damages? Very low visibility, frostbite, hypothermia, power outages, pipes can freeze, can kill people, plant and animal loss, and high snowdrifts. Why it happens? You need three things to happen for a blizzard to form. You need cold air is needed to make snow, moisture is needed to form clouds and precipitation to form, warm, rising air is needed to form clouds and cause precipitation. Where it happens? It can happen anywhere where it's cold enough to cause snow. When it happens? It usually happens in the winter because it's cold. Blizzards in Newfoundland. As you can see is some pictures of some blizzards that happened in Newfoundland in the past. Bad blizzards, you can see how blizzards cause very low visibility and all the snow. Some more pictures of all the snow blizzards caused. 1 billion.